Your turn.
No.
Your turn. Yes, come on, your turn.
Welcome back to...
I love getting her all giggled up.
Not fair. Not nice.
I would say life's not fair.
But you can be nice.
I am nice. Aren't I? Aren't I nice? All right. Take 2. Try it again.
Welcome...
Take 3.
Welcome back to CrazyDavesCrew.
Yeah, I gotta get one of those clipboard things, you know, like they have in the movies.
Take 4.
Take 4. Try it again. Sorry.
You did it on purpose.
Yes, I did. That was my bad. And
I almost had it too.
Okay. Try again. I'm not gonna say anything.
Put your hand down. Welcome back to CrazyDavesCrew. I'm Shelby.
I'm Laura.
And we're here opening another window of our advent calendar.
We're in the home stretch here.
Woo.
I think it's your turn. Day 21.
You can't help but tear it up anymore.
Nope.
We were wrong.
No way, we were wrong?
Oh.
Oh. Oh, that's pretty.
You just say it.
It's a little star. With blue stuff in it, huh?
Gems. Blue gems. More.
Blue gems, yes. Those are pretty. Yep, those are pretty. Yep. Ooh. All right. It's going to be hard to pick.
A little bit.
It really is. All right, we're getting closer and closer. We hope you've enjoyed this short little video and certainly hope you'll come back. Consider subscribing, maybe liking. You know, help her with her self-esteem a little bit. She's kind of self-conscious and a little shy. We're trying to work that out of her, though.
Not that easy.
Not that easy. Okay. Well, guys, give her some encouragement. You know, let her know she's doing a good job. I do know she's going to have to take some speech or something, so maybe that will help. College has really helped, too. So, and she's doing really well, and I'm so proud of her. Proud of all 3 of them. So, like, subscribe, comment. We were both wrong. We both thought it was going to be a spacer. It turned out to be a charm. I'm going to guess a spacer tomorrow.
I'm going to stick with charm again.
She's going to stick with charm. I'm saying a spacer. What do you guys think? Be sure to come back tomorrow to find out who was right.
Ooh.
Hope you're having a great day, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.